Baughman Autohaus isn't just a name. It's where vision becomes velocity. A destination for the bold and relentless. And those who know perfection isn't found, it's engineered. To mark our debut, we're unveiling a creation that stands alone. A machine unlike anything that has ever touched the road. This is Baughman Autohaus.
The idea for Baughman Autohaus came from me and my son working together and having the love for cars, developing community and trying to put something together where we could help others and enjoy the car community.
I'd say the mission is to build a platform that people can look up to and trust, to show them that they can do anything they want to. If you dream it, you can do it. One life is the slogan, and it's because you only have one life, so at least live it to the fullest and do it how you want to. And so we're here to customize, do anything you want to, any car you want, and we're there to make it your reality, your dream come true, right in front of your eyes.
My first impressions, I don't know, these guys are crazy and they don't have a limit. That's what I'm telling you.
Their ambition's amazing. Like, I've never met a father and son love cars the way I see them love cars. Their attention to detail is just absolutely amazing, and they're humble, great people.
It's just more fun environment of building cars. All the guys there, his son, Dean, and everyone just more easier to work with, lenient. You guys are open to ideas. It just makes the whole experience much easier to do and makes everything fun. And just the handoff of the car, it makes everybody else enjoy the product more.
This isn't a hobby, this is the start of a legacy. The long-term vision is to grow this platform, providing a high-end quality service with the ability to have an artistic creation that no one else has, creating one-of-one cars. Through this platform, we want people to understand that they only have one life. We have learned that life is short. You have to make the best of it. So when it comes to God, it comes to family, and then we also say, comes to cars, enjoy yourself, have fun, live to the fullest.
You know, from the cars that they've owned and the cars that they've built with other manufacturers or other customization shops, they have an eye for perfection. What really portrays them is the fact that they're willing to go above and beyond. So it's not just the normal.
I want the name Baughman Autohaus to be the name that people think of when they think of creativity, or they have a super crazy, creative thought or dream. They want to bring it to us. I want them to think the name Baughman Autohaus is a safe place where they could come, talk cars, talk about life, get to know each other, because this isn't just a platform or a business. This is a community that we want to stay strong with and build a relationship with forever.
You can trust them.
What makes a custom built? I would say something that's personalized to the customer. It's not like you just buy the body kit, you put it on, and you just leave it how it is. The customer usually will have some sort of request, and you could always personalize certain things, adding certain striping around the kit or with different color teams to play around. Same thing with interior. So it all depends to kind of talk to the customer, see what he kind of wants, what colors, or there's something that means to him that he wants to incorporate into the vehicle, and that kind of makes it one-on-one to that person and what they like, and more personalized. So it's not everything's the same, and just be open with the options for people.
I think Baughman Autohaus in full is, the style of it is quality. We are going to demand from our service providers, from our partners, the highest quality possible for our customers. Because again, it's how we want to be treated ourselves. When I receive a vehicle that has been done and I want it to be one of one or one of 10, I want it to be the best that it can be. So we want to provide that quality back to our customers, using our partners, using our services to be that platform, to be a one-of-one company, to provide a one-of-one car, to provide a one-of-one service with a one-of-one attitude that you have one life to live.
I was on vacation last year, and Dean sent me pictures of this crazy project. So I was like, my mind was blown, and like, oh wow, what are you gonna do? So he said, we gotta do some job to it. Then I came from vacation and we just started working on that thing.
Usually some people come, they tell you what to do, you do it, and you don't really want to bring up too many things. But with these guys, you're just comfortable telling them or pitching them ideas. If they like it, they like it. If they don't, we still continue with the same idea that we had initially. But it was just a fun exchange of ideas that put the whole car together, and it just makes the whole build much easier.
What makes our company different versus other companies, I feel, is number one, we have our name behind it, Bofman. Just like my other companies, we take pride in our name so that we can give back that quality, knowing that our name is behind it. Putting God first in all we do and striving to help others, helping the community, seeing how we can be an influence in society to provide good services and the love of cars.
From day one, we weren't chasing attention, we were chasing impact.
What makes this car special? There's a lot of things. Especially we did one of those badges for the interior to actually show how unique this vehicle is. Even when it comes to the striping around the car and certain details of just refining the body kit, it's not like we have to add on a bunch of things. It's just refining the kit, putting in the time, and I think this one makes the whole build more special than just slapping the car together and how the parts come. And all of those small little things that we do makes the car stand out. Somebody comes up to it, they notice the small details that we've done and what you guys prefer to do with the car too.
We're here to change what people expect when they hear the word custom.
Baughman Autohaus, one life.